Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, it's day 17, I think. Yeah. You know, if I can send some kind of message to you guys, some kind of good messages to say, first of all, Alhamdulillah for that you are healthy. Because, you know, it's 11 a.m. right now. And I have, you know, maybe because I didn't record it myself back then when I was ill, I start to understand that, you know, because I promised you guys there is a number 365, and that I'm gonna film 365 days in a year. And I promised you guys, I promised myself, and I start to kind of understand and realize, I think, that it was a lot harder than I thought. There are gonna be such hard days during this 1 year period itself, which are gonna so suck to do anything. Maybe you will be ill like I am. Maybe you will be in hospital. May Allah save you, save your health. Maybe your mom is gonna get sick and you will need to take care of her. Maybe there will be anything which can like take so much time and, you know, like your mind space. And yeah, it's a lot harder to commit to one thing than to think about committing to one thing. It's, you know, it's in everything, you know, like discipline which you're required to apply. It can be applied to everything which you want. DMing people every day sucks. Recording this video sucks. By default, it's not something which you want to do. Usually, if you're not receiving results, especially. Like I am not receiving the results. Thankfully, Alhamdulillah, there was one guy which replied me back on Instagram after I messaged him. He said, you know, like, I don't need website right now, but I think if I will see someone who needs it, I will, you know, like, mention you. And I was like, yeah, okay, thank you. Maybe, are you sure that you don't need website? Because I see you, you know, doing this fitness stuff. Maybe you need a website for your course. Maybe you need a website for, you know, like coaching stuff. Maybe you're doing coaching stuff. Maybe you need website for your business. I give some kind of ideas to him. He said, yeah, it's great ideas, but not right now. Like in the future, okay, but not right now. And I said, all right, okay. There was only one guy which messaged me, replied me like, shit. Okay, I mean, in comparison with the first day of being ill, today is way better. Today, okay, whatever. Okay, I have Arabic classes today. I don't know if I need to go there because it's really, like, let me describe you how hard, not like in all colors. Look. If you can see, 15.01 2024. There's only three goals which I set for today. It's reading Quran, it's reading Atomic Habits, and DMing people. There is a fourth goal which I'm like kinda thinking about making, but you know, like even imagining me actually like doing something more than these three things. Yeah, because you know what, the problem with being ill is that you are all the time tired. Doing basic things like going to toilet sometimes sucks. The things which you allowed to do back then, like reading Quran, reading books, training. I mean, training sucks when you are like starting to train for something like ultra hard, right? But doing 100 push-ups in like 20 push-ups in like 5 rows, 5 steps, and like 100 push-ups in total. I loved doing that. And now I look at myself and I'm like, brother, I don't want to do anything. Like honestly, I wake up late. I wake up not late but tired. You go to sleep tired, you wake up tired, you eat your meal tired, you film this kind of videos tired. And when it comes to setting goals, you're like, well, I can write whatever I want. I can write like going to Everest and fly to the moon, but can you like comprehend that? Imagine that, actually achieving that? Can you understand that? Like, is it something which you think you are capable of doing today? You know, I believe that I and you can achieve everything we want, just it's the question of time when. I know that one day, inshallah, like we're gonna be successful both financially and faithfully, right? Becoming a Hafiz of Quran and like being a millionaire, it's possible. Yeah, it's just like I can make a goal to learn new surah or new ayat. Yeah, but today, brother, or even like, you know, if you look at last 2 or 3 days, here's 13, 12, I think 11 is somewhere here. So there is always an empty goals which I didn't make, didn't achieve, didn't complete it. You see? Because I am ill for last about 3 or 5 days. And like today, alhamdulillah, I'm better, alhamdulillah, but you know, like I can write something, and even at the moment I'm writing that goal, I understand that I'm probably not gonna do that, because look at, you know, like the problem is how I feel, the health circumstances, right? And you get it, whatever, honestly, like just I don't want to even talk to camera. I don't even want to talk to camera. I just squeezing myself to say something because I promised myself that I'm gonna film daily videos and daily vlogs. I don't really want to do anything, honestly. I don't want to read 2 books actually I need to read. I don't want to DM people. I don't want to train. what I want to do, honestly. I just, like, if you are healthy, I mean, even if you're healthy, sometimes you don't want to do certain things. And I'm not saying that I'm not gonna do these things even if I am not healthy. I am still gonna do them. I'm still recording this video even if I don't want to talk to camera. Am I? I'm still probably gonna message at least 10, 20, 30 people on Instagram. As much as I can. I'm still probably gonna read at least one page of Quran, at least one page of Atomic Habits. I have a beautiful, rule of 1 is larger than 0. Doing something is better than doing nothing. I knew, and inshallah, I'll pray to God that I will, I'm not talking about like not doing anything. I'm talking about like it sucks, but I will still do it. Yes, I know I will probably not make it as good as if I would have been healthy, but I will still do something. Still something. 1 page, not 0 pages. 10 people messaged, not 0 people messaged. 1 video recorded, not 0 videos recorded. So it's, yeah. If you will follow this rule, I think, I believe that 20 minutes of gym is better than 0. 20 minutes, not freaking 4 hours like Arnold. Not necessarily. When you feel like not doing it, like really like shit, the, like whole point of discipline is not to squeeze yourself, not necessarily squeeze yourself as much as you would have done when you really badly want it, right? The whole point of discipline is to do something no matter of your circumstances. When something is the thing which you want to do, record the video or training or messaging people, this is a discipline basically, probably, I believe. Because what is wrong with sometimes messaging more people than usual or less people than usual? Like, what is wrong, I believe, is not messaging people at all when you don't feel like, not training when you don't feel like, not reading when you don't feel like, not messaging people when you don't feel like, not doing 0. This is what is wrong, I believe. Doing at least something, at least 20 minutes of workout. Let's say you used to work out 1 hour every day. Okay, you are ill, okay, whatever, some kind of disaster happened to you. Maybe someone from your family died, maybe you lost everything you had and now you feel like shit, right? And because you feel like shit, you don't want to do anything. You don't want to eat sometimes. I don't want to eat right now, honestly, even if it's like lunchtime. You don't want to pray sometimes. You don't want to read Quran sometimes. I'm not talking about just the basic feeling of laziness right now. I'm talking about real depression, like some kind of, not depression, but real sadness. When you don't want to like eat, drink, speak, watch anything. You just want to be alone and, do whatever. Not do anything, basically. Lazy person is someone who trades something better for something worse. Training, he trades watching TV to training, watching TV, a filthy photo or video to building his deen and religion. This is a lazy person. But what if you are not a lazy person? There is things which are kind of feels like you are a lazy person, but lazy person feels like he wanna eat something. Person who is in about similar circumstances in which I am doesn't really want to eat anything, drink anything, talk to anyone. I don't want to sleep, I don't want to eat, I don't want to drink, I don't want to... But I still do drink, I still pray 5 times, I still sleep at the right time, I still eat, and I hope that I will make myself to do at least 100 push-ups every day. I mean today. Yes, 100 push-ups is less than I used to do when I was healthy and when I was okay. But you know what? Something is better than nothing. And I will at least do my push-ups, even if I'm not gonna work out on my abs, work out on my legs. Yes, I will not do these things, but I will at least do push-ups. I will at least message some people, I will at least do something. Yes, I will not, I don't feel like eating, but I will eat at least a little bit. Right? We're gonna have not good times. In this kind of not good times, the most important thing is to first of all say Alhamdulillah, and I'm still saying Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, everything is good. Alhamdulillah. Second is that if you cannot do as much as you used to do when you was better, maybe in health, maybe in finances, maybe like previous times you had more access and capability of doing more, and now you have less. Use what you have. You have less power, you have less time. Okay, use this a little bit of time, a little bit of power to do what you said yourself you're gonna do. May Allah bless you, may Allah help you to achieve success in this and hereafter. See you in the next episodes. Peace.